Chongka! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, pupunta po kami sa... Where are we going?
McLeanstown.
McLeanstown?
McLeanstown, East End. Around Bahama.
East End. Wala lang. Pasyal-pasyal. But anyway, bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, all you need to do is click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that updated ka sa lahat ng video ng Chongkai's TV. Okay? So, I'm gonna show you mga dadaanan namin and then yung restaurant. Is that the only restaurant there?
Yep. It's called Pibby's.
Kasi alam mo itong si Taba na to, ang ginagawa nito,
If it's open.
if it's open, I bought it for $3.
Wow, $3.
Yeah, it's so expensive, $3. So,
Sure you can afford $3?
$3. Of course you can afford
Last of the
$3.
big time spenders.
I don't spend that much. I don't have money. Anyway, okay. See you guys later, and I'll get back to you. Bye.
Damages from Hurricane Dorian.
Damages from Hurricane Dorian.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.